Today we are going to make the most delicious and lip-smacking recipe, which is the Chicken Tikka Masala. Before starting the recipe, don't forget to press the bell icon and to subscribe to Ready Steady Eat. First we are going to marinate the chicken. We are using Chicken Leg Boneless. Let's add ginger garlic paste, lemon juice and salt, and rub them all together until it's coated evenly. Let's keep this aside for 30 minutes. Now let's do a double marination. For that, let's add hung curd, mustard oil, Kashmiri red chilli powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder and kasuri methi powder. Let's massage it evenly until it's properly coated. Keep the marinated chicken aside for 2 to 3 hours. Now heat mustard oil in a pan. Add marinated chicken pieces and cook it from both the sides until the chicken is cooked and keep it aside. Now for the gravy, heat butter in a kadai along with some oil. Now add cumin seeds, bay leaf and allow them to splutter. Now add onions and cook them until they are translucent. Let's add ginger garlic paste and mix well and cook it for 2 minutes. Add in Kashmiri red chilli powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala and mix it well. Add in a dash of water so that the masalas don't burn and mix well. Add in the tomato puree and cook until the raw smell of tomatoes go away. Add green chilies and cover and cook until the gravy is thick. Now let's add cooked chicken tikka pieces and adjust the salt as needed and mix well. Add water to adjust consistency and simmer and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add dried fenugreek powder and mix well. Switch off the flame and add fresh cream and mix well. Our chicken tikka masala is ready. Let's serve it hot and garnish it with a swirl of fresh cream and a sprig of coriander. Lip-smacking chicken tikka masala is ready to be devoured. You can have this with naan, tandoori roti, rumali roti and even with rice. So what are you waiting for? Make this soon.